Hello, my name is Gilberto Conti, and I'm making this video for all the students of Targu Mures to the University of Theatre University. I would like to thank you, Eva Patko, and together we are developing the workshop of 1 week in Erasmus program. So I'm really happy and looking forward to meet you all. I would like to say some words till the day that we are starting, the 10th of October. So I would like to ask you if it's possible for you to bring images and things of style that you like, Asian style, American style, or something that you invented, some your design, so you can draw for masks or puppets, some ideas. Please take a look a little bit of the list of materials I'm sending you by email, and it's very important to you to have part of minimum the tools and part of the materials we are going to get during the week. Also in some supermarkets it's part of papers, cardboards, glue guns, scissors, knife like this alpha knife, so things that are easy and simple to find in any place. Also, I'm not bringing mine because it's impossible to bring the airplane, so I'm not bringing the airplane also. And as well, I'm going to get some closer there to our university. Please draw, bring images of what you'd like to develop. These 5 days of work, I'm wishing to make an exchange of knowledge with you, show you some techniques, and we are going to develop some numbers. So I will present everything, but please, if you have time till Monday 10th in the morning, we are going to have a presentation and you are going to show me your style or things that you are. We are going to develop some groups of work and also some individual works, and it's going to be amazing. So one more time, thank you for your time, and I'm looking forward to meet you all. So stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.